Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, subscribe. If it's not, welcome back. Anyways guys, yeah, so there's two things. Number one, I've not posted in a minute. I haven't been posting and it's not my fault. But another thing, I didn't record an intro for this video. Or I think I did, but I can't find it. So I'm sorry. Enjoy this video. This is my Cape Town summary trip. A lot happened, so shaky stuff, but I'm back. I'm actually back.
Look at this dog.
That was literally about to say that. Anyways, I'm at Value. This is like my travel vlog and stuff like that. I'm at of preparing and stuff, getting my things and stuff. We're in Value.
And
Woo!
and the stuff that they have are so beautiful. Like this dog.
I found Leah's twin.
I just come from church. I'm trying to be holy.
Yes.
Don't stop. But look at my edges, guys. Slick.
They're turning white.
If you want to know the secret, just say. I'll do for your braids.
Using sunlight turns them white. She can go wash her clothes with her edges after church. But anyways, let's go.
Don't shout at me.
I'm not shouting. It's just like...
Hey, what are we trying? What are these biscuits?
We're trying these monster creams.
And then what's in your hand? The other one.
Oh no, I got mini chip cookies. I love these ones.
Yeah. So we're trying that and he's saying he wants to live. And while we're getting the biscuits, some random some guy, he's walking and he's facing me the whole time. And then he calls Sakunda and he's like, nah, not you.
And I pointed and I was like, ah. Yeah. Hi guys, we're doing the tryout of. We come back, we're trying these biscuits. Then we gotta pick and pay for 7 rand. So if I die before going to Cape Town tomorrow, blame this rat.
His own fault. They look so nice.
They look like mini waffles.
Ooh, broken. They're even breaking.
This is what happens when you don't go to school. You don't know your English.
Don't lie. I'm scared to try.
Oh, these are nice. They remind me of these are biscuits from Zim. Cookie Joe's.
A little bit more icing would have been nice.
Yeah. I'm supposed to go home and pack because I don't have time.
And you're eating biscuits. Wow.
Please. Anyways, my flight is at 6 tomorrow morning. So I have to be at the airport I need to leave the house at 3 in the morning. Get there at 3:45, check in, go to my boarding gate.
What airport?
Or Tambo.
And he's not coming to Dream Week. The most important week. Even I'm not going.
Yeah. But she's want to talk.
Time to see my man, guys.
Side eye. Anyways, guys, I'm not home. My body did my hair and stuff. So yeah. Ew, I'm so tired. Super tired.
Of his power toward us who believe. That's in your life as a Christian. You know what most Christians are praying? Anyway, I'm too tired to work out. I don't think I
A few moments later.
Hi guys, how are you and stuff? I'm at the airport, right? And like, yeah, sleigh and stuff. I got my boarding pass. It is extremely cold. Okay, maybe it's because I'm by Evans, but like still, so like, guys, I'm shivering. Can you see the phone is even shaking? As you know, we move. I'm gonna decide with the event not as hectic. Yo, I was just supposed to wear that other outfit. Even with the sweater, it is not giving. It's so cold. And there are planes outside. But I doubt to see them because like there's a reflection. Low-key, I have so much time. Boarding time is 5:30. Oh no, actually I don't have time. I have like 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes before boarding time. So I like waking up maybe like 5:15. I'm gonna go to my boarding gate.
Urged to immediately report any suspicious activity to
Going to my terminal.
This is just another way
Guys, I was taking
that
pictures that people
companies
pulled,
like
but I was like,
that
oh.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to lose and lose, repeating pain.
I'm officially in Cape Town and stuff. Oh, guys, and I'm like tired and I'm still going to VNA. I've got a long day ahead. And I get home, when I get back to the accommodation today, I'm sleeping. Sana, guys, I said I was gonna vlog now. Okay, we're in by VNA waterfront me. And nah, this thing scares me. I'm not gonna vlog this part because I'm scared my phone will fall into the water. So yay.
A few minutes later.
There is. Yes, this is the view. This is the view. I'm the view. I'm the view.
You should be asking that down there.
It's there. Yeah. Anyways, we are done with the boating. People are playing music. This is so nice, guys. Hi, guys. Metal detective stuff. Please.
I'm gonna video up on you 3, 2.
Where are we? I don't know where we are.
Hi guys, we are by the UNESCO World Heritage Site.
History learner at its finest.
I'm not a history teacher at its finest. Clock that.
The lighting's bad. Oh,
Okay, let's try again. That's such a long video.
That looks so pretty. Okay.
Hi guys. Hope everyone is well. We are at the UNESCO World Heritage Site to go see Robben Island.
Tomorrow, is it on?
Tomorrow, yes,
No,
tomorrow.
aren't we hiking tomorrow?
There's so much to do tomorrow.
Guys,
The itinerary for tomorrow is so long.
scary. Scary. Anyways, you guys will see pictures of me on Instagram. I'm blessing you guys.
People are gonna be
Thanks to him. Thank
Yeah, guys, I made sure to take content, not his tombe.
You will just. And like this new update is bums. The only thing that I like is you can pause a video.
You can pause a video a long time ago. It's giving.
Are you not an iPhone user?
If you are
Yeah.
on cam.
Awkwardly stand. Said, oh, sitting.
Why is your phone so dark?
Low. Yeah.
Oh, real.
Anyways, we are going. Imagine this stays like this. Just stay like this. Hi guys, we are walking around by Vienna, just exploring. I don't think we can go this side. Can we? Where does it lead to go?
There's nothing here.
Anyways, yeah, we're just walking around. Bangalore, but it's fine. Send back to sender. There's the mountain and stuff. This is such a nice little view. Very, very nice, very cute. Very amazed, babes. I was about to say another dola. Yo. Oh, no, you go this way. But is this leading to this hotel?
I don't know.
Hi guys, anyways, we are exploring, being Dora.
What are you even
We're
saying?
being explorers, inspired by Dora and stuff.
The check.
I wanna go home. I'm so tired. Hi, my people. Guys, I got boba. And it's nice. And I'm going on the little boat. Yeah. Anyways, our outfits are eating. The pictures are eating. This one doesn't have Instagram, so you won't see it. But go to mine. Let me show you guys what it looks like there.
Hi guys, so we are aboard whatever this ship is called and we are going to Robben Island. We're going to learn about history. Are you a fan of history? Are you a fan of history?
I used to. But
The silence was very loud.
now,
The silence was very loud.
it's loud, Shem. I'm not a fan of this. I feel this is worse than Takeoff. I'm not a fan of this. We're just bouncing up and down, up and down, up and down.
It's so bad.
Where do you get this Rachel thing from?
Show me to me, Rachel. Show me to me, please.
Anyways, we are here. Just debugging. We're only leaving here at 6 o'clock. So I know. We just arrived and stuff. Oops, sorry.
Okay. Hi guys, we have just arrived at Robben Island. It smells like oppression.
Anyways, guys, we're walking around. See, this road is nice. So I'm so tired. Hammer cookies. Various things. Ghazni. Have a crash. Have a crash. And someone very, very fun. Anyways, yeah, it's oh, same. Anyways, guys, we're back. I miss my Priki. But this is so nice. My feelings are everywhere because I'm so child. I miss my rat. My little Cape Town rat. With braces. I don't know how a rat has braces. Sana, Robben Island was a lot. But this was really nice. It was pretty an experience, I love the views though. I'm so tired, guys, but this is so pretty. It's an experience and I have bouncy.
3 days later.
Hi, my people. This life of being unfit is not it, Shem. How do you move? That's the view.
I'm doing the one. When I have to pick up the pace a bit.
Anyways, we're going and stuff. I am literally gory. This is not it. Shame. I'm rethinking my life decisions right now. And like, someone just making me laugh. Look at this smile. Now falling here there's some next level scary. Yeah. Yo guys, I'm tired. I was listening to music. Whew. Let me show you guys. My phone is about to die, but a little update. We're on the mountain and stuff, guys. Slay and stuff. Yo, hi, we are suffering. We are going. Yo, pimple under my nose. It's frostbite. How do we move? You know, slay and stuff. Bye.
My photos must you left the space and then everything about.
Yeah, this phone looks like leave a space. Heinz, ein Fressbrett. Ich bin Sach. Ich bin Sekunde. Say ich bin your name.
Utsile.
Ich bin Utsile.
Ich bin Utsile.
Basically, I'm Utsile in German.
What does hi?
It's basically I am Utsile in German.
Ich bin Utsile.
Ich bin
Oh, ich bin
Utsile.
Utsile.
Yeah, you see?
Sometimes